This 2021 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS285CK285CK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Crossroads is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 6, Skylight, LP Detector, spare tire kit, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, awning, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Crossroads Sunset Trail Super Lite SS285CK285CK is 6,588 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.